friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking pulled chicken from Trader Joe's. This hardwood smoked pulled chicken is sold in the refrigerator section. It's not frozen. It's sold next to the bagged salads and other convenient foods, and it's really good, and air fryer is perfect for heating it up. So let's open up the package of Trader Joe's pulled chicken. And take out the air fryer basket. And I will put pulled chicken directly in the air fryer basket. And I will break it up right away, just so it cooks evenly. And I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at this pulled chicken. It looks amazing, so nicely brown, perfectly cooked. It's completely heated through. If it's your first time doing it, I do recommend trying these. Just make sure everything is hot enough to your liking. This chicken went to the air fryer already pre-cooked, so what we're doing is we're reheating it and also making it slightly brown. And it's so easy to make in the air fryer, perfect. So let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Looks so good. This pulled chicken would be amazing with barbecue sauce. So if you want to make it into barbecue chicken, just you can serve it with barbecue sauce on the side and dip it, or you can just mix it together to make barbecued pulled chicken, or just have it like this as is. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love pulled chicken. It's so delicious. It's full of this amazing smoked deep flavor, and it's hot, it's tasty. It's a perfect convenience food. An air fryer is perfect for preparing it. Try it, you will love it. It was a pulled chicken from Trader Joe's. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!